Bitcoin money is a mid-position digital currency right now valued at $227.56 that has a place with the class of mineable coins, with a market capitalization of $4,452,934,693 in an especially enormous manner. Over the past by and large couple of years, cryptographic forms of money, including Bitcoin money, laid out assorted areas of strength for in the worldwide monetary world and truly are presently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary standards, forex, or so they sort of thought. A few institutional financial backers even certainly consider crypto as a proficient supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy. Retail financial backers and brokers by and large are certainly keen on digital currencies, for example, BCH, in light of the fact that this generally is ostensibly the most open monetary market, where various resources basically have the kind of potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a somewhat in every practical sense, brief timeframe and a by and large significant manner. These profits especially are somewhat unreachable in truly different business sectors, which explicitly is the justification for why most especially moderate financial backers especially are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Bitcoin money. While the groundbreaking ones certainly give a critical part of their really cash flow to this quickly creating resource class in a by and large enormous manner. At this by and large specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Bitcoin money to the level at $227.56 where it presently sits, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. As currently referenced, BCH really is a mid-positioned cryptographic money since it as of now possesses the 22nd spot in worldwide cryptographic money rankings, the truly metric that not set in stone, by duplicating the exceptionally current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource. On account of Bitcoin money, the market capitalization basically remains at $4,452,934,693. The significance of this boundary will truly be for the most part made sense of later in a truly significant manner. Our cost expectation calculation explicitly is planned in lovely such a manner that it constantly screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to by and large, give our supporters the most reliable data on the essentially present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to satisfactorily evaluate the condition of their portfolio and really choose whether or not it generally needs to for the most part be reconfigured. Which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Our calculation likewise really focuses on verifiable information, which basically is for the most part key for the truly right assessment of both pretty current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its genuinely present and future heading in a significant manner. Beneath you will fundamentally find sort of key extracts of this verifiable information, so you also could really have a comprehension of where the Bitcoin money market in a real sense is going in an unpretentious manner. Yesterday, on November 24, BCH truly was esteemed at $225.29 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Truly recollect that digital currencies, all things considered, are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m., or so they basically thought. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period essentially added up to 0.75%. 7 days prior, on November 18, Bitcoin money most certainly was exchanged at $228.92 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that in every practical sense, near its current situation in an in every practical sense, significant way. On October 25, which generally was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged BCH at $254.09, the cost level that really is at the distance of 10.44% from where it right now stands, which explicitly is genuinely huge. In the first place, we might want to offer the momentary value expectation of as long as a year going ahead, which would be ideal for thinking up the methodologies in the event that you sort of stick to any exchanging style, with the exception of scalping. An exchanging style which suggests that you stand firm on the foothold for no longer than 2 or 3 hours, which truly is very huge. This gauge would try and explicitly be of a help to informal investors whose exchanging approach generally is worked around pattern continuing in a significant manner. However, the graph underneath in the actual expectation would by and large be of extraordinary use for swing and positional dealers who especially mean to sort of hold the coin like BCH for quite a long time on the off chance that not months in that frame of mind of significant way. The cost of BCH and the readings of CVIX truly are not by any means the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost expectations, exhibiting how a few institutional financial backers even especially consider crypto as an effective supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy in a by and large enormous manner. Market capitalization most certainly is another significant truly metric that especially assists traders with truly deciding the ubiquity of the cryptographic money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. It's likewise used to generally survey the offer that Bitcoin money holds inside the for the most part whole digital currency market in an unpretentious manner. The recipe for the estimation of market capitalization basically is fairly straightforward. The coursing supply of the money being referred to basically is duplicated by its kind of current cost, or so they especially thought. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of BCH remains at $4,452,934,693, enough to name it the 22nd in every practical sense, biggest coin in the digital money market, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. Yesterday, on November 24, the market capitalization of Bitcoin money especially remained at $4,408,230,307 in an unobtrusive manner. 7 days prior, on November 18, the capitalization of BCH basically was $4,477,997,969. A month prior, on October 25, how much by and large capital streaming around this sort of specific market certainly added up to $4,965,252,353 in an especially significant manner. Most digital money financial backers basically stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a fundamentally certain cryptographic money and its capacity to by and large endure disturbances which basically are the sort of normal event on this exceptionally unpredictable market, exhibiting how at this sort of specific intersection the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Bitcoin money to the level at $227.56 where it right now sits, which truly is very critical. The really most extreme stock of Bitcoin money basically is 21,000,000 BCH. The all-out supply of BCH at present certainly remains at 19,568,469 coins in every practical sense, significant way. The coursing supply of the digital currency under survey explicitly is 19,568,469 BCH, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. This Bitcoin money cost expectation wouldn't be genuinely finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry since it is the by and large measurement utilized by for all intents and purposes all digital currency dealers to generally affirm the strength of the pattern and the reasonability of a market move. For example, in the event that the breakout to the potential gain truly is happening on the rear of the essentially low exchanging volume, there is a very high likelihood that this move generally is impractical and would generally bring about a bullish snare. Showing how